Hello dear students, welcome to Organic Chemistry Classroom. Today we are going to discuss about a rearrangement reaction, Damjanov rearrangement reaction. Actually, Damjanov rearrangement reaction is a reaction of primary amines. So this primary amine get rearranged to alcohols in presence of NaNO2 and HCl or nitrous acid HNO2 and at lower temperature 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. So primary amines are get rearranged to alcohols in presence of NaNO2 and HCl or HNO2 at low temperature 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. During this reaction, ring expansion as well as ring contraction take place. Let us see one example for ring expansion reaction. Okay, let us take a primary amine like this. So this on treatment with the nitrous acid HNO2 at lower temperature 0 to 5 degrees Celsius, we get actually three products. So one is this and another alcohol OH and an alkene. This is a side product formed during this reaction. See here, this four-membered amine get converted into a 5-membered ring, and this is called a ring expansion. 4-membered ring get enlarged to a 5-membered ring, and this is an example for a ring expansion Damjanov rearrangement reaction. Let us see the mechanism, how these products are formed. So mechanism, in the first step, this primary amine undergo diazotization reaction in presence of HNO2. So reaction is diazotization reaction. Undergo diazotization to form diazonium salt N plus triple bond N. Okay, this diazonium salt undergo various reactions and rearrangement to form the products. Let us see the first product formation. So this diazonium salt, here this CC bond gets shifted to this carbon and this nitrogen get eliminated, and we get so nitrogen gas get eliminated and we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A 5-membered ring with a positive charge over here. So this is a carbocation, and this on reaction with water H2O, we get OH and a positive charge over here, and this on deprotonation minus H plus, we get the first product, that is the rearranged alcohol. So let us see the formation of second product. Again the same diazonium salt. Okay, react with the water molecule H2O. So OH, so this lone pair attack here, and the nitrogen gas get eliminated, and we get oxygen H and a positive charge. Here deprotonation take place minus H plus, we get the second product. So this is the second product, and along with this product we are getting a side product, an alkene, and I will show you how this alkene is formed. Third one, so again we are taking the diazonium intermediate. So this diazonium intermediate, so if there is a variation in temperature, this nitrogen gas get eliminated and we get a carbocation like this, and after deprotonation from here, we get the side product alkene. So this is an example for a Demjanov ring expansion reaction. Now let us see one example for Demjanov ring contraction reaction. Here is one example. So we are taking a primary amine and which on treatment with the nitrous acid at a low temperature 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. We get two products. One is this and second one is the rearranged alcohol, this one. So here the 4-membered ring get contracted to 3-membered ring. So this is an example for a Demjanov ring contraction reaction. So let us see the mechanism. So first step, this primary amine react with HNO2 and it undergo diazotization reaction to form diazonium salt, N plus triple bond N. Okay. So then in first case, this diazonium salt eliminate nitrogen gas and we get a carbocation, cyclobutyl carbocation, which on reaction with water molecule forms the first product after deprotonation. So this is the first product. And in second product, N plus triple bond N. Okay. After elimination of this nitrogen, we get a cyclobutyl carbocation and here this sigma bond get shifted to this position and we get a cyclopropyl methyl carbocation, a stable carbocation, and which on reaction with water we get OH plus, and this on deprotonation give the rearranged alcohol. So this is Demjanov rearrangement reaction. So this rearrangement reaction involves both the ring expansion as well as ring contraction. Thank you.